There we go, everyone. There we go, and we are live. How you doing, everyone? Welcome to the channel. This is Oscar Ramos, and today is Saturday, and we're gonna have an amazing time. There we go. Whew, what a good one. How you doing, everyone? I hope you're having a good Saturday. What up? We're gonna have some people here. Just gonna wait couple some just we'll give it some minutes here, and then we'll start chatting about amp token, cryptocurrencies, and much more. You may notice we have a new setup. I'll explain that later on, but yeah, say hi in the chat. Everyone's welcome, and it's just about having an amazing time. There's no slow mode, so chat away, just have a good time. As you know, if you've been a fan of the channel, how my water went, water too. We got the waters because I drink a lot of water. I'm gonna go ahead and check my iPad, make sure the stream is doing well. Please tell me if the audio is well. Tell me if everything's well with the stream. As you know, I take some minutes before I actually start. Let me go ahead and do this. Also, don't mind if you give us a like to start this conversation. There. Okay, yes, the audio is good. Let me see who's in the chat. I see a lot of comments. Sam, Shellfield, A, Olive, Mommy, Hi, F. I'm gonna go ahead and okay, everything looks good. Everyone, welcome. F, does your commander know you have a second job? Guys, you see this shirt right here. As most of you know, I'm a Mexican. I mean, that's the purpose of my channel. Like, you see that as a brand, as my branding. I admire and I love anything military. And once I was at the university, and typically the U.S. Army, the Navy, they will come, like the U.S. Coast Guard, they will come, and they gave me this shirt, and I really like it, and I've been using it ever since. So I just love it. Sometimes I post my amp icon here, and it's like it kind of tells you the amp army, right? It's so fun. Welcome to the 20 plus viewers right now. We're probably gonna have a lot of some people, but the number of people doesn't matter to me. What it matters is that you guys have a good time with me and ask all the questions possible today. Just let me tell you, we're gonna be talking about token, the crypto market, how to stake. Last live on Thursday, most of you asked me about staking, and guess what I gave you on Friday? I gave you how to stake. So if you guys like that video, let me know in the comments right now. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I did it with Coinbase Wallet, and I posted how to do it with MetaMask. So we're gonna have a long conversation, no problem. There's no rush, and I hope that you guys like it. Let me go ahead and see Michael Delgado. Good day. How you doing? What's going to buy some right now? Is it a bad time to buy right now? So let me tell you guys, for you who are watching, I did buy some AMP token. I'm gonna tell you all of the details later on in this live stream. Cody Bennett, great time to buy. Audio and video sounds good. Thank you, Cody. Just I honestly made sure everything was doing well when it comes to the live stream. So very happy that the audio, I got my light, everything is doing well. So praise the Lord, is doing well, right? Doge of AMP, typical names like we needed to have a Doge in the AMP community. That's awesome. I'm expecting $1 in 10 years. It's all about slow and steady. Doge, I wish, I mean, we all have the freedom of thought, but I wish more people understand kind of your mentality, because that's what it is, right? I mean, we do not really control the price of AMP token. What we can do is support the Flexa capacity by staking, right? Right about here, if you see this staking app.flexa.network, that's what we teach you. And I mean, we all know that exploring the capacity and staking, that's what we have to do to continue this project. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, it's great that you have that mentality. 10 years, I'm giving it like 3 to 5 years, but you really step up the bar. 10 years, that's fantastic. Who do we have in the house right now? We have Martin Oscarito. Where's bottom? Martin, welcome. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you more of that here in the technical analysis today. Just stay tuned. Omar, good. Hola, brother. Hola, Omar. Thanks for coming. Very good. We have Michael Legado. I earn on Gemini, same as staking. I'm gonna go ahead and cover all of that right now. Olive's mommy, quick question. I do not most of your coins. I'm gonna go ahead and read that question very soon. Beauty converted my anchor to AMP yesterday, bringing my total to 12,000. Alrighty, very good. I see the live stream is doing very well on all my mobile devices. We're gonna go and get started right now. Good. Yeah. All of that. Everything is doing very well. Praise the Lord God Almighty. Yes, sir. Alrighty. First sip of water. Okay, let's go. Everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Oscar Ramos, and in this channel, we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. Lately, we've been talking a lot about cryptocurrencies because that's what's trending. That's what a lot of people are interested in, and I want to serve my community the best I can. But do know that please diversify. Please know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything that I say here is for entertainment purposes, and I just want everyone to multiply their investments. I started investing back last year, 2020, a year of really hard times for everyone's pocket when it comes to money, right? But slowly but surely, you know that you join the fellowship, the communities here on the internet, and sooner or later you will find out that you can multiply and 2x and 3x your money. So that's what we talk in the channel. If you like the content, go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells so you never miss another live stream. And we post very regularly during the week. Okay, so we got some people here. Welcome. Alrighty, so we got a lot of people here. Thank you so much for all your comments. We're gonna be starting right now. First and foremost, let me show you my Gemini portfolio, and I'm gonna start, by really talking about what I'm doing and my plans when it comes to staking right now, because I know some of you may be interested in staking and what's the difference and stuff like that, right? So Omar, how much AMP token do I have? Well, I've been very transparent. I mean, I don't have like a quantity that is like so much, right? I think once you get to a point, and even people right now maybe having 1,000 AMP token or 10,000 AMP token, they don't want to share. They don't want to tell the world how much you have. And I think that's smart. You don't want to be too open. I do it because I'm a content creator, but I will be at a point in time when I'm going to be like, you know what? I think I'm going to stop being so open, because you get to a point where you might be vulnerable for hackers. Not by you, because you guys are awesome, right? But some people, not all of us have the same intention. So I know you understand. So I'm gonna go ahead and click my portfolio, and this is what I have, everyone. You're seeing on the screen right now. We have 52,000 AMP token. That's equivalent to about $2,200. I have Ethereum and Bitcoin. Most of my cryptocurrencies are here on Gemini, and I love it. I've been loving Gemini ever since. It's just a great platform so far. Let me tell you right now. So the plan here is I'm currently right now earning. So if you don't know, which is something that a lot of people we do because it's very easy. You can move your AMP tokens that you buy on Gemini to what we call earn on Gemini. So you click here and you buy a crypto, how often, and then you pass it to earn. You'll have to sign agreements and stuff like that, because what I've learned is that you hand your cryptocurrencies to a company that does business with Gemini. It's not Gemini, and they take care of your coins. You no longer, they're yours, right? But you no longer have them with you right now, even though you can see it, and you are just starting to collect passive income in terms of earn interest in cryptocurrency, right? Because one of my initial like responses was like, where's my US dollars? Like, I want to see my interest in US dollars. But no, they don't pay you in US dollars. They pay you in cryptocurrencies. Let me see some of the chat. Anchor and AMP. Yeah, that's true. Have 165,000 AMP token. Hey, kudos to you. That's awesome. So we're starting to have some scammers. So we're gonna hide all the scammers here. I'm all about open, freedom of speech. Say what you want. If it's too bad, I'm not gonna post it, of course. But make sure you are clean in the chat. Okay, Olive's mommy. I'm gonna go back to your question. It's a really good one, like a long one. So let's see what you say. Quick question. I do know most coins follow Bitcoin, and I'm personally thinking Bitcoin has some more steady downtrend yet to come, maybe up 20,000 USD. So will AMP go lower following Bitcoin? Well, let me tell you, Olive, that's a great question, and that's one thing that I make sure, guys, you understand, and that's something I just tell people a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and click on home. You can see right now from what I'm showing you on the screen the watch list, and I purposely have this watch list because if you see the whichever token you want to watch mimic what Bitcoin and Ethereum does, I think that's a positive signal, because in the end Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are the ones that mostly are gonna last any type of bear market. And if AMP token mimics that, I think that's a great thing. There's some other ones like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. Back in the day, I remember seeing that on Robinhood, where Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and other ones will just go down, and then Dogecoin will go up, and that wouldn't make any sense. Hopefully that answers your question. Oh, Queen's Finest, can't believe it. Thank you so much for the super chat, 199. Thank you so much. You are incredible. Let me read your question. It says, how much Ethereum do you have and at what average cost? Very good question. Let me go ahead and show you. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Omar, how much? It's, by the way, Omar says, but how much do you think is a good amount? I'm looking forward to 100K. Before answering your question, Queen's, let me kind of repeat this once again. This is my philosophy, and before, in my opinion, everyone, in my opinion, let me go ahead and sip of water. Oh, there you go, delicious. In my opinion, guys, when it comes to cryptocurrency, because this is the deal, everyone. This is the deal. You have investing with stocks and long-term index funds that work, that no matter what's going to happen in wars or what have you, that's already regulated. It's already known by hundreds of years, X or less. It's going to work no matter the what's happening right now in the market and all the news, what's up. Cryptocurrencies, you have to be aggressive when people are fearful, but always just follow the basket of eggs rules, right? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. When people ask me personally, like, how much money should I have in this cryptocurrency, the way I respond to that is like, the amount is based on what you're able to lose. I'm not saying that that cryptocurrency is gonna be gone tomorrow, but make sure you invest something that you're comfortable losing or just having aside, and whatever happens, you're gonna survive, right? That right. That's the way I answer it, because if I start saying, oh, put $3,000 right now because that's gonna give you 50,000 AMP token, or put $10,000 because that's gonna give you like 250,000 AMP tokens, to me that just doesn't vibe with me. Okay, so that's my philosophy of investing. That has really helped me a lot, have peace of mind, and that when it comes to cryptocurrencies, guys, like, understand people. Let me go ahead and show you right here. You're seeing the screen right now, the technical analysis. People right here on the green, everyone like is super happy, like, oh yes, I'm talking the best project ever, no way we have to do that. But once it's going down and dying, those people who were cheering for it, now they're the biggest bears and negative people out there, because they just go through emotions and they never establish some core investing principles. And in my channel, that's what you're gonna learn with me. I'm never gonna really tell you go all in here, and no, I mean, to me, if you're not a millionaire, if you cannot afford losing all your capital, then I think investing is still too much for you. Well, I think that's a good explanation for that question. But I mean, that's the way I feel, right? Now, okay, Queens, answering your question, how much Ethereum do you have and what is your average cost? Let me go ahead and show you. So by market right now, I have portfolio. I have 1.7 Ethereum, 1.7 Ethereum, and I have more on Coinbase, which I already transferred. I have 0.10 Ethereum on Coinbase because what I did is I purchased some Ethereum on Coinbase Pro. I waited for the deposit to clear, then I transferred that deposit to Coinbase.com, and I just allocated $100 of that money to Ethereum 2. If you don't know, you can start staking right now Ethereum 2. Now, I'm doing it just as practice, just to see what's going on, because they give you a lot of APY. They give you 5% APY, so that's great right here, 5% APR. So that's why I did it, because I want to explore, right? But look at how much money I'm putting, just $100. So in my philosophy, or like in my core, I'm still that stock minded person, index minded person, where I'm always like very conservative and careful, right? But sometimes when I know it works, I just go all out. All right, hopefully that answered your question, and thank you so much for the support. We got more questions here. Just purchase some more, sitting on 130,000 AMP token. Kudos to you, that's awesome. Should I convert Ethereum to AMP? Help me, help hand. Should I convert Ethereum to AMP token? Well, AMP token is built on the ERC20 network, which I was about to show you this ones, guys. The token tracker, the top 20 or like the top ERC20 tokens. And guess what number is AMP token? 19. That's pretty cool, right? So if you purchase Ethereum right now, I mean, that's great, because in the long term, it's going to do awesome. Same as AMP token. So the two of these are going to do great. Do not be confused, guys. You look at the price of Ethereum and you're like, no, that's already gone. And you look at the price of AMP, it's like, oh yeah, it's going to get to $1 or $10. Market capitalization, guys. The price of AMP token is 4 cents. Doesn't mean that it's going to reach Bitcoin price, because that will totally destroy the market capitalization for AMP token. So I will either keep the two, or whichever you want to do, that's taking totally fine. Fellow astronaut MR, how you doing, buddy? What do we think about Shiba? I think about Shiba, I don't really have too much to say about Shiba. I don't have too much to say about Shiba. I just know that they are doing some cool projects in Africa, and that the co-founder burned of Ethereum, burn a lot of Shiba tokens. That's what I know. Alrighty. 5% of the portfolio. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Even a lot of people say, like, you want us to do cryptocurrencies, like 10%, 15% tops. I believe Andre mentioned something like that. Cali Fishing. Hard to trust someone only does one topic on all his her videos. All you do is AMP token, so I'm sure you want to AMP to pump. Well, not really. I do AMP token because that's what my community cares about. And later on, as we move on with different topics, I'll of course change. I'm doing AMP token because I like the project, I like the community, but we can always talk about something different. Right now, it's AMP token and other tokens. So I mean, I just do it because why not? And don't worry, I mean, things are gonna change later on for sure. But yeah, I like AMP token, and it's my channel. So, but thank you so much for showing up. What do you think about Cardano? In talks with European Union Cardano, I like it. I've been invested on Cardano, so I don't have any issue with Cardano. And there's so many news with the European Union. Tell me, let me know, because I haven't heard that. Sure answer, if you should convert Ethereum to AMP token, the answer is no. Cal efficient, there you go. So you have many different views, right? And I love it. I love you guys that have your own opinions. Just put in the chat. If you don't agree with me, put in the chat. I'm all for it. Like that's what it is. I'm not the smartest guy in the room, right? Omar, no, if you can buy more Ethereum, it's better. To be honest with you guys, and you're listening to this from me, I mean, if I had $10,000 right now to invest, I'll put more money on Ethereum than I'm token, because I mean, Ethereum is not going anywhere, right? I mean, it has a less chance of going away than I'm token. Just letting you know. But of course, the two projects are awesome. Alrighty, guys. Once again, we have a little bit more people. My name is Oscar Ramos, and we talk about stocks, right? That you're in cryptocurrencies. You want to support the channel? Go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Next week, I'll continue talking about crypto. By the way, the stocks are doing good, so letting you know if you guys are interested. Okay. Now, finally, thanks so much for the questions and comments, everyone. So, looking at coin market cap, everyone, take a look at this. We were in number 42, and now we're number 47, and that's of course because the price of AM token is decreasing. It happens. If you didn't know, we had a little run today. Let me show you right now. We had a little run, and it's not really seen that much here on TradingView, but it was seen clearly on right here. There you go. Just today, we went all the way to 4 cents and 6, and now we're back. I checked the Facebook group of AM token, and people were going wild, but now we're back. That's awesome. Oh, Queens, thank you so much again for the support. Appreciate it a lot. What is your price prediction for Ethereum 2023? Let's go ahead and do that right now. Just give me 1 second, but thank you so much for the support, Queens. Appreciate it a lot. I'm also going to go ahead and tell you guys how to stake. So I'm going to go ahead and answer Queen's finest question. And after that, we're going to go ahead and see what's going on with staking. I'm going to go ahead and ask a poll. There you go. Poll is up. Are you guys taking your AM token? And if you're not, don't worry. I'm going to help you do that today. So you're going to learn today, because that's one of the main questions you guys are asking, right? And I've noticed that in the channel, it's already, the videos out there. It's for you to watch, but we're going to go back and review it today. It's not that difficult, to be honest with you. By the way, we have finally some more news here on the Twitter for AM token. There's going to be this webinar on Tuesday, July 20th. So this coming Tuesday. And we have how decentralized networks are transforming products we use every day. And Tyler, remember that we had David had an interview, and we were chatting there. We were broadcasting the interview. So Tyler is going to be talking, the CEO of Flexa, the CEO of Arweave, Sam Williams, the CEO of Nexus Mutual, and CoinDesk moderator. Not bad, honestly. I'm going to go ahead and look forward to this. I think it should be good for the community, for everyone, understanding, how decentralized networks are transforming products. I'm not going to be live, like watching this, but I'll check it out and see what's going on. Because in the end, once they fulfill different, transforming and products in a decentralized networks, once Bitcoin comes back, I think we're going to see a nice bull run. I'm waiting for it, guys, because I'm also buying at the dip. Now, when it comes to Ethereum, to answer your question, Queen's Finest, well, Ethereum right now is at $1,800, $1,900. Let's go and check it out. Our dear Ethereum, $1,900. And look at the trading activity, Queens. Look at the trading activity. It's 68%, which means people are buying. You notice 68% Ethereum. Let's go ahead and check Bitcoin. 67% Bitcoin. Now let's go ahead and check Cardano. 76% Cardano. You see that? People are buying. How about Dogecoin? See, the people are even buying Dogecoin. People are even buying Dogecoin. How about AM token? 48% buying. People are selling more AM token, and I think what's happening, people are panicking, and or they are converting AMP token back to something else. I think that's what's happening. It's not fulfilling their desires, and they're just living the train. They're just seeing the 1 week and the 1 month, and they're like, what is this piece of garbage coin? I don't want this. Let me just go back to where I was. Sadly for them, because if you take a look at the 1 year trend, you would have missed all of this, right? I think that's the idea. Just look. I mean, most of Q3 and Q4 of 2020 was flat, everyone. And then we had a nice up on February 2021, flat for just for a couple more months, and then we had all this amazing bull run. So I think that's what we're expecting. If you had in mind leaving AMP token and you don't want to hold it for long years to come, I think you probably want to wait these peaks in the future and then sell it. But at that point, you may also get greedy. Alrighty, so my response to that, Queens, is that by the end of the year, I do want to see Ethereum above the all-time high right now. So I'm giving it, if we're at $5,000 by 2021, the end, I think that's mission completed. And believe me, that's a very, very conservative price. $5,000. Super conservative price. You're not gonna find probably not gonna find $5,000 by the end of the year. You're not gonna find it, but that's my price because I just want to be a little bit more realistic and down to earth. I think what's happening here is that we're just waiting for everything to come back. And as I watch Millennial Money with Andre, with Jeremy, with Meet Kevin, and with Stephen Graham or Graham, I mean, I'm always listening to the guys who know more than me, of course, right? And they're even like, so what's happening in the market? Like, they're asking themselves, like, what's happening with crypto? Why is it down, or whatever, X, Y, Z? And so there's this cloud of unknown. We still are figuring it, trying to know, what's going on with crypto. There's so many things that we have discussed, like China and the banning of mining and inflation even. But I think what we learn is that if you take a look at all right here, guys, 2015, 2016, 2019, 2020, nobody was hearing about Ethereum, right? It's only when it's peaking. So if you want to be one of those who buys when nobody wants to buy, invest when nobody wants to even pay attention to them, then you probably are going to be the one bearing the fruits later on. That's it. The key is this when it comes to crypto and for AMP and for all the rest, because AMP token is a great project, guys, but there's so many out there. Understand that, right? Like, look at the ERC tokens. These are like the most highly based on Etherscan. You have BNB, Hex, USD Coin, Binance, Uniswap, Link, DAI, Theta, BChain, Tron. Most of them I don't even know, but there's out there. And AMP is right here. AMP is in 19th place out of how many? 436,000 tokens contract. That's so much. Like, that's so many. So what I'm saying is, like, just chill. It's gonna be fine. Patience, right? So, alrighty. Hope that answers more of the questions. We have a little bit more people. Welcome, guys. Welcome to everyone. All right, I'm gonna actually stop the poll, and I'm gonna see the responses right now. So we have Michael Delgado, possibly use Cardano. People are selling to buy Bitcoin while it's low. Mark Bass, I think I know what you're saying, right? If we go back to Coinbase, Ethereum 68% buy. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's see Polkadot, 80% buy. Okay, this is the highest that I've seen. Polkadot, guys, you guys have Polkadot? Because I don't have Polkadot. So are you staking your AMP token? We have 60% yes, 40% no. Okay, guys, so we have only 20% or 20 votes. So a little bit more than 8 to 9 people saying no. So for those 8 to 9 people, I'm gonna go ahead and help you, showing you the process as far as how to stake in a couple of moments. So stay tuned. But 80% by Polkadot, that's pretty cool. Uniswap. Uniswap is amazing. I started to understand how Uniswap works, and it's basically like you can't buy and have a crypto wallet on Uniswap, and it's cheaper than Coinbase wallet because Uniswap is community based and it's community hosted. Coinbase, you have to pay more fees and what have you. So I learned that early in the last week or so. So that's pretty cool. So you do have the options, right? When you see like Million Token that we were talking last stream, when you see Million Token or some kind of like more speculative or risky tokens out there, the first place you're gonna see them, it's on Uniswap, on PancakeSwap, Binance even. But I mean, that's cool. Like they start to grow. SafeMoon even. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty. I'm pretty lost here. I see you guys posting. I love it. Can you make a video in Spanish? I feel like most Hispanics start missing lots of information about crypto world. Emmanuel, that's the idea. Thank you so much for bringing that up. I think later on, still I'm growing this channel and I love my community right now, what we're doing and what we're achieving. But still, I'm very I'm just beginning, my friend. So I think for the Spanish channel, I'm still looking forward to that at around either 100,000 subscribers or so. So then by then I already created a really strong base, and then I can take that base to a second channel in Spanish. So, but thank you for bringing that up. So let's go ahead and get to 100K. That's, I think, a great milestone for the channel for us, and I want to get it done. Add subtitles in Spanish. That could be another option. Buy Ethereum, keep it for 1 year. Sarah, thank you for welcome to the chat, Sarah. You're very smart. That's what I've been doing, guys. I bought Ethereum when it was $1,000. So my if you're still watching, Queens, my dollar cost average, or like my average price for Ethereum could be somewhere around 2,100, because I bought Ethereum at $1,000, but I later bought Ethereum at $3,300 and $3,500. I see what's coming down from the 4,000. So I just recently bought Ethereum at $1,900, so should be somewhere around like $2,100 or $2,200, my average. Absolutely. Needs to be at least 25.75 APY for me to stake. Davies, my name. I feel you. Honestly, like that's one thing you have to also take in consideration when it comes to staking. The gas fees, remember the video like that I posted yesterday? $20 in Ethereum, just gas fees. Keep in mind that 3.86% that the Flexa Network gives you ads on app token, you'll have to wait for a while, like a year, to get like $50 or $70, somewhere around there. But of course, I mean, staking helps the project, but just keep in mind the gas fee. So I do see the way of if as soon as they increase the staking percentage, then that will make more people willing to stake. I do see that, absolutely. Will Morales, how you doing, buddy? Welcome. Nowadays people don't have patience or discipline. It's true. Olives app is number 9 on Coinbase, but unfortunately the currency pair is not available on Pro as it's cheaper. Coinbase fees, it's rebuff. It's true. Alrighty. Love it, brother. Nice. Oscar, are you Drell, are you went to the US Army? So have I gone to the US Army or have I enlisted? No, I just love it. I love the all military things related. And like I said at the beginning of the live stream, once I was at a career expo, and they're always military people trying to recruit youngsters, and I just got this shirt and I loved it, so it was awesome. But no, I have not gone to the U.S. Army. It's a cool idea, I mean, I love to watch army movies and like Saving Private Ryan. I mean, you guys like that movie, don't you? But I love those kind of movies, like 1900, like 1917. Oh boy, I watched that at the movie theater. Amazing movie, 1917, Black Hawk, Saving Private Ryan. I love those kind of things. Love it. I don't know, it's just my thing. You guys are watching. Don't mind if you drop a like, subscribe, share this video with the community. That'll mean a lot to me. Full Metal Jacket, that's true. Yeah, that's a cool one as well. Alrighty. So yes, Anchor. A lot of people have been telling me about Anchor. Let me see. Anchor. 53% trading activity on Coinbase. So Anchor is an Ethereum token that powers the Anchor, a web infrastructure and cross-chain staking DeFi platform for decentralized finance that aims to make it easy and affordable for anyone to participate in blockchain ecosystems by building dApps, okay, or hosting nodes or staking, okay. So I think this is let me give you my take on all these things. This is something that I've seen very often, like a blockchain that you can build dApps and stake. That's what you can do on Algorand. That's what you can do on Cardano. That's what you can do on Ethereum. So my philosophy is this. I know there's projects like Anchor that are really good, to be honest with you. But sometimes I just like to stay local. And what I mean is, if I know Ethereum works, I just, instead of putting like $100 or $200 on Anchor, I just put it more on Ethereum. I just allocate my money. I try to build a stronger foundation of my main portfolio and the main tokens I believe. And once that's done, then I can branch out to something a little bit, more speculative. Even though it's a good idea, a good project behind, that's what I believe. That's what I follow. Because honestly, guys, the coins that are gonna sky to the moon substantially it's gonna be Bitcoin and Ethereum once all of this mess ends. And I want to be prepared for that. And right now, that's why I'm buying more Ethereum and Bitcoin somewhere here and somewhere there. So just my opinions, of course. Kara Klassen, thank you so much for the donations. Appreciate it a lot. Awesome. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Supporting the channel. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. You guys want to make money today, right now? There's some links down below in the description. If you don't have an account on Coinbase, there's a link. Let's say if you want to do Gemini because you like a specific coin that you can earn here, like the Gemini dollars, 7.40 annual yield. That's a lot of money. Go ahead and sign up with the link, with my link down below, and you can start. You can get a $10 of Bitcoin. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. Thank you so much, Sarah. Appreciate it a lot. You can stake Algo on Gili and get Gili on Algo. Gili token was released in MEX this week. Mark Bass, I'm gonna check that because I have Algo and I'm staking that on Coinbase. But it probably, if they give me more percentage, I may switch. I mean, for sure want to switch if that's something that's possible. Alrighty. There you go. So once again, everyone, this coming Tuesday, July 20th, check this out. I think it's gonna be pretty cool if you're interested more in Flexa and a conversation about cryptocurrencies. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. When I close this, I'm talking number 47. Let's go ahead and refresh. Maybe we moved. I'm just kidding. We're still at 47. Pretty cool. So now, that's one I love. Great stuff. Don't forget about Cardano. Don't forget about the Ethereum. And the one that most of us don't want to hear from, Bitcoin, because it's the old one, it's the grandpa in the room. Let me know in the comments if you want me to review or check any other cryptocurrencies. We've done Anchor, we've done Shiba Inu, I believe, just a little bit. Let me know, and I'll give some time just to go ahead and review it and give you my thoughts. Which, by the way, I'm gonna tell you how we're doing with holders here on Etherscan. Plus, I gotta teach you. Thank you. I forgot how to stake. So let me just do this, and we'll go with the staking right now. So, Davey is mining. AMP is going up already. It was scrapping low 4 cents earlier today, and it's almost 4.5 cents. Let's go ahead and check it out right now. I'm gonna go and refresh here. How we looking? 43. We're 43. So take a look at this, everyone. Before teaching you the staking process, so that RSI is the best if you want to make money in cryptocurrencies. Now, what do I mean with that? I remember very well. Listen to what I'm gonna say right now, guys. I remember very well when we were right here, July 16th. I remember very well, like it was like yesterday, guys. Okay, we were here June 16th. I knew that people wanted to know more about I'm Token. I knew people were buying I'm Token like crazy, and I knew things were gonna go back down. And a lot of my videos that I posted on June 16, June 17, and etc., I said, prepare for the dip. I've said it many times. Like, guys, prepare for the dip. Like, I said it. Why? Because the RSI really, it just tells you so easily what's going to happen. Typically, what's going to happen. Like, you would want to see a cryptocurrency just continue growing in the RSI, right? But that's why we use these tools that helps us see a little bit more in the future. That being said, I remember this date and look at what it happened. Bam, bam, bam. So on April 18, the same thing. We were at what, 2 cents, jumped all the way to 6 cents. Then came back down from April 18 all the way to May. Okay? Look at the RSI, guys. Right here, we're right here. So, what is this telling us then? What's coming up may be one of the most awesome times for I'm Token. Now, with what I just said, a lot of people could interpret that as buy all your money to I'm Token right now. If you're one of those, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only, and your money is your deal, right? But right now, based on the RSI and what I'm seeing, and if I go ahead and keep scrolling down, look at one RSI very, very down, super close to the lower band. Bam. January 27th. Then May 24th. Then July 17th. So, what are we waiting for now? If I told you on June 16 that there was gonna come a drop, I of course didn't know how bad it was gonna be like, because I'm not a genie, but I knew that, okay, we already passed the lower band. Something is coming, right? Then what do you think I'm gonna tell you right now? It might sound bullish, but either this is gonna happen. Either we got passing the lower band, something that happened similarly that happened right here, because I mean, assuming that I'm Token will continue dipping and we pass the lower band, at that point, that's the perfect indicator saying this is a good time to buy. It's just by following this chart, guys. Doesn't make any sense. If we know that cryptocurrencies is here to stay for the foreseeable future. Although it does look very sad what we're seeing right now with I'm talking, and a lot of people tell me, why do you keep talking about a garbage or like a penny cryptocurrency? Well, I mean, it's not the price, it's project, and it's how we're looking at through the stats. And what I see here, guys, is that it might take some time to climb back up, but that's where we're heading. That's what I wanted to tell you, okay? I do tend to use a lot of words to get to my final point, but I just want to expand on that. Maybe I may have some people here that are completely beginners, and I just want them to understand this clearly. Plus, I have an accent, so I have to make sure things go well with that. So, yeah, I mean, I like I said, I remember when we were here, it was fun, honestly, fun. We passed the 10 cents, we celebrated that. Oh boy, that was great. But now look at this, and you can totally see with the price chart here on the candlesticks. You're seeing these two lines. This is the all-time high. This is the all-time low on May the 23rd. So that's what I'm saying. If I'm talking keeps coming down, it may reach the all-time low from May the 23rd. That by definition will break the lower band like it did right here on June 16. Are you following? Are you following me, guys? So if it reaches the all-time low, definitely it's gonna break the lower band here, and we're gonna be seeing maybe some 20 or so indicator. So that's I think very important for you to realize. In all, what I'll be doing and what I just did, because I just bought $100 of AM token. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. I bought it on Coinbase Pro. Why did I buy it on Coinbase Pro? Because I'm gonna use that money. I'm gonna move it from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase, and then from Coinbase to my wallet, and then from my wallet to staking. And I think that's a great segue for staking. So if you've been waiting for that, here it is. So we'll come back to this one now. Welcome to Flexa Capacity. How do we do it? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get my phone ready. You're seeing my phone right now, and this is capacity. So we have to connect your wallet. There you go. Well, before I do that, we have couple more comments here. We have, that's right, Paul waiting to go back to 2 cents, not buying at higher than 3. Yeah, Gerardo, I mean, that could happen, right? Excuse me. Ooh. Nice. Thanks so much. Paul Donovan, make money or AMP on the way up and on the way down. Absolutely. AMP has been at 6, 7 and drops back to 3. This has been the trend since the crash. Don't hold AMP, buy at 3.2, sell, analyze this, okay? AMP will go to the 0.35 area before a significant rise. So yeah, that's what I was just mentioning, right? Like there's some possibilities, and the all-time low was 2 cents. There's always that opportunity. I mean, there's always that chance, right? And if you're gonna buy AMP right now, I will suggest you to don't buy it in bulk. Like don't use all your investing money right now. Just little by little, little by little. I just bought some more AMP. Kudos to you. How about the graph? Oh, the graph is another one. AMP is going up already. It has been okay. Very good. Alrighty. So there you go, guys. So talking now about staking. Now, when it comes to staking, guys, here's what we're gonna do. Of course, Gerardo, anytime. Thanks so much. So a lot of people have it with MetaMask, right? So that's pretty cool. I don't have it with MetaMask. I have it with Coinbase Wallet. So what we do is the following. So let's go ahead and find Coinbase Wallet. So you see right now on the screen there's 3 Coinbases, so it can be a little bit confusing. But there's Coinbase Pro, then the middle is Coinbase.com. There you go. Now you can see it better. And then Coinbase Wallet, you see it right there. So if you want to do that, go ahead and download Coinbase Wallet, and something like this is going to appear to you. And then once you do that, please go ahead and create an account. And what I did is I synced my Coinbase.com right here to my wallet. It is so easy. Once you are logged in on Coinbase.com on the app, then on Coinbase Wallet from the app, you just click connect, and everything is automatically done for you very quickly and very easy. Okay, so what we do here, I click on Coinbase Wallet, and I will see this code to scan, and I'm gonna scan it by pressing this icon, and then I'll go ahead and pop this, and there you go. I am already connected to the Flexa Capacity Network, and you can read all of this. And let's go ahead and take a look at this, because this might be news for you. So, and finally, we've upgraded capacity to use AMP, a new digital collateral token. You can learn more about why we built AMP on the new AMP block today. So you have 0. I haven't earned anything. I have yet to start staking. Your remaining this is this. So you can start migrating, of course. So if I click here, I have 548 AMP tokens ready to stake. Reason why I haven't done it is because if I do it right now, I pay gas fees, and if I want to do it again, I pay gas fees again. So you want to have either all or most of your AMP token portfolio in once at a time, just the first time, so you pay less in gas fees, right? What I've learned and what I've heard is that it takes some time for it to send it to the Flexa network, and once it's done, that's it. Because I did receive comments in my video when I explained that on Friday, and people were telling me that it worked for them, so it's great. One thing about Coinbase Wallet is that you cannot do it on the website. It's all done through the application. Whereas MetaMask, you have to do it on the website. That's what I've seen. Alrighty. Michael Delgado, thank you so very much for the super chat. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it a lot. You're awesome. What do you think about gamer cryptocurrency? I'm going to check that for you right now. I'll just finish with this. Thank you so much, buddy. Appreciate it. So you click on stake here, and let's go ahead and see how much gas fees is right now, because when I did it on Friday, it was $20 in Ethereum. There was a question in my comments from my video on Friday saying it's 20 Ethereum or 1 Ethereum. No, that's too much money. Don't pay that. It's $20 US of Ethereum, okay? So you can select here how much money you want to stake. Of course, what I want to do is just send most of them the first time. Then I click here, continue. And then now I have to sign and see that it again tells me that the minor fees are very high right now. So let's see how much is the minor fees right now. Oh, look, not bad. Wow, it's only $12. Let me see if you can see that, guys. I think you can see it somewhere there. Yes. So it's only $12.31 right now. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't have the Ethereum, but if I had the Ethereum, I just can't do it right now, which I'm going to have it. That's why I'm going to cancel this. That's why if I go back to my portfolio on Coinbase, I have $196 of Ethereum. So I purposely bought Ethereum on Coinbase because, one, I wanted to try the Ethereum 2 right here because it gives me 5% APY or APR, whatever you want to call it. And two, because I need to transfer this Ethereum to my wallet and then finally use that Ethereum to pay for the minor fees, okay? So that's my strategy. What I'm going to do is I think I'm going to transfer my AMP token So let me show you right now. I'm gonna transfer my AM token. Will Morales, see what $5 to stake for me. Will, I am jealous of you. Really? Where do you do it? On Coinbase or MetaMask? I'm sure you did it through MetaMask, right? Or somewhere else, because Coinbase Pro or like Coinbase Wallet, what I've heard is that it's a little bit more expensive. But if you did it with Coinbase, tell me at what time did you do it? I want to know. Thank you so much. So what I'm going to do is all these 52,000 AM tokens, I'm going to transfer it to, yeah, MetaMask. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, it's a little cheaper. So I'll have to transfer this portfolio value of AM token to my Coinbase wallet and finally do the transfer. And it shouldn't take me that long. But yeah, that's the idea. So guys, once you did it 30 minutes ago, oh wow, there you go. Well, you did it. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, staking, everyone, is not that difficult to do, and I'm pretty happy that more people know it. Because why are we doing this, guys? We're doing this preparing for, well, what I think is gonna be a future for AM token and for, I mean, just cryptocurrencies in general that are gonna blow up once the bull market and the rally keeps going, right? That's the idea. Alrighty. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and drink some more water. Alrighty, so now that we've discussed about the AMP token staking, let's go ahead and answer Michael Delgado's question. So what do you think about gamer cryptocurrency? Is there a specific cryptocurrency name you want me to check out, or is it called gamer cryptocurrency? Because I don't know. I've heard some gaming cryptos, but I don't know which one you're referring. So let me know so I can check it for you. And Martin says, welcome, welcome. Welcome, Harry, Sonny. Welcome, buddy. Michael Engine. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. Engine Coin, right? ENJ. ENJ. I think you're referring to this one, ENJ. Let me know if this is the one you wanna. So let's see. Engine Coin. What is this? Okay, there you go. Thank you, Mike. Let's see it. Let's take a look at this MJ, and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts. So NJ is a protective engine company that provides okay. Okay. I sit in the top 10 here. Let's see. I'm gonna see the website. Let me see. Still loading. Engine. Let's go ahead and find it. I think it's this one. Yes, should be this one. 1.23. Okay, got it. So it seems that it went all the way to $2 or so, $3, and then came back all the way down. So numbers wise, I think I'm gonna choose something engine on Binance. There you go. This is the one. This is the one. Okay. So we're looking at, and okay, what do I think about NJ? So it's been here for a while. At 1 cent, stayed for like 2 cents for a while, and then came all the way to $4 in the April rally, and right now it's coming back. So it already blew up. Now it's coming back. Uh, gaming industry. Okay. Engine coin. Let me go ahead and see this website. I want to see the website. Next gen NFTs. Okay, so they do handle also the NFTs as well. Okay. Yeah, NFTs were a big thing like a couple months ago, and they're like gone out of the public. Creating here next gen ITX wallet marketplace. Evolve your virtual world. Okay, so I think I already have a nice something to say about this one, Michael. And what I think for you is, because once again, because Bitcoin and the major tokens are down, I think that's why everything is down. Um, it seems that they enjoyed the rally of January and they did very well. We'll just have to see what the token does when things are starting to pop back up. Wouldn't be a bad idea to start a small position, right? Because it does make sense if you already reached this price. But remember that in less than 6 months ago or 7 months ago, it was back at not even $1. So it is risky. Of course, tons more information for me to know more about this token, but it does seem like a good opportunity if everything aligns. Because I mean, there's the gaming industry that is, we all know that it's $1 billion industry and it's not going anywhere. So it's a good token. It's a good token. Still risky, but we just have to see when things are up, when things are better with Bitcoin and Ethereum, how this is thing gonna perform. All right, Mike. Hope you like that one. Martin, what do you think about Bitcoin under 30 likely? Well, Martin, it was under 30. It was under 30. Let me go ahead and show you. Bitcoin, which one is the good one here? Because, oh boy, I'll do Binance. No, this is not a good one. Bitcoin was under 30 right here on June 22nd. As you're seeing right now, I saw it under $30,000, and somewhere hasn't reached under 30,000, but yeah, it was under 30. Um, that's a possibility with everything that's happening with the mining banning and stuff like that with China and some other places. But I do have some good news on Bitcoin, guys. Take a look at this. Top 10 or 10 public companies with the biggest Bitcoin portfolios. That's pretty cool. We have for number one, or like the first one, is MicroStrategy. They say they have a equivalent of 3.3 billion in Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, that's cool. Then we have Tesla. I mean, we all know that. Now let me see. When is this article? This is July 16. Okay, this is pretty recent. That's nice. Tesla. So they say they have an aggregate of 1.50 billion in cryptocurrency. Tesla sold 10% of its Bitcoin. You guys remember Elon Musk fiasco of, we're not gonna start accepting any more, payments with Tesla for or like with Bitcoin for Teslas, and that of course killed more Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is at $30,000. Don't forget about the rally it had 1 year ago, guys. It was at less than 10. Right now it's at 30. I mean, what are we complaining about, right? But I mean, companies own it. I mean, I think that's a great indicator to have it. Even Kiyosaki, I was saying in one of my previous live streams that Kiyosaki is saying, like, keep buying gold, keep buying silver, and keep buying Bitcoin. That's pretty cool. Galaxy Digital Holdings, Bojagger, Square. I know Square, they have some Bitcoin as well. Coinbase Global, of course, Bitcoin Group, Hut 8, and Riot. Riot blockchain. So Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Damian, how you doing, buddy? Welcome. Oscar, transfer from Coinbase to Gemini. Your AMP tokens, you will pay less transfer fee. Okay, thank you. So transfer from Coinbase to Gemini, you will pay less in transfer fee. Okay, gotcha. Thank you for that tip. Appreciate it. Alvin Alexander, hey, welcome, buddy. What do you think the value of AMP will be December of this year? Well, that's a great question, Alvin. We did cover the I'm gonna go back to AMP token here. There you go. So we did cover the predictions by the end of the year in previous live streams and previous videos, and what we all agree, the community, is that it's gonna be somewhere around 20 cents. That's my prediction based on what it's doing right now. Understand this, please. And I think this is something worth mentioning. Cryptocurrency never sleeps. So because it never sleeps, there's no start date or bell or closing bell. So if you see it just going down so fast, it's because that's just what the market is trending, and because it's not closing, you're seeing the results of a bear market or like a bear move or a bull move much faster than stocks, right? That's why people panic very often with cryptocurrencies, because they don't understand that cryptocurrencies never sleeps. It's always on. So if they're gonna go up, they're gonna go up massively. If they're gonna go down, they may go down massively, but they change trajectory very fast. They never close. And what we are telling is that, you know what, we're seeing 20 cents by the end of the year. That's my conservative prediction. But honestly, be careful with all your investments. There's way more people that say higher end of the year dates and prices, but that's what I think. That's a good one. MPK, if you have 100,000 AMP token on earn on Gemini, what would your 30-day payout? Well, if you have 100,000 interest, let me go ahead and help you on that one. Go ahead and go to earn AMP token. You go ahead and let me go ahead and learn more. I think it's right here. Yes. So we're gonna calculate your earning, right? So you select AMP token. So it pays you 1.78 APY with $10,000 of AMP token. So you say you have 100,000 AMP tokens, so that will be somewhere in the vicinity of $4,000 right now. 1, 2, yes, that's 90,000, right? Yeah, that's 90,000. So let's do 4,500. Okay, yeah, so 4,500, that's around 100,000 AMP token. Okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, so 4,500, that's around 100,000 AMP token. So in 1 year you're getting $80. It's not much, right? It's not much. You're not really getting that much on Gemini. So if you want to know how much you get in 30 days, well, divide this by 12 and there you go. So 80 divided by 12, that's 30 days, and that's what you're getting. Okay, hope that helped. I'm talking pumping. Vitaly, welcome, buddy. Do you think I'm talking it's gonna drop again before it goes? Possibly. That's what we discussed here. There's a chance that we touch the all-time low again at 2 cents. But by looking at the RSI right now and the MACD, well, the MACD, they still haven't crossed, so that's bad news, because we may still see a bigger drop, but the RSI is telling us, that maybe a comeback right here. So do trust the MACD, favor the MACD more than the RSI. So right here, I still don't see any crossing with the signal. So still, just hold your guns and dollar cost average. That's what I can tell you. Giras, welcome. Hi, love the live streams. Any chance you can have a look at Sonar Pink, please? Of course, we'll take a look at that one. I'll be back with that one. Lenny, hey, welcome, but appreciate it. Can you touch on the Clover Coin, new coin, Coinbase that is pumping right now? I see. 20 cents, not bad, thanks. Absolutely, Alvin. And my community with this, I mean, like we got a 38 cents bull case scenario and a 6 cents bear case scenario, which means that it's higher than it is right now. Understand that we're a little bit after the middle of the year. We still have till the end of Q3. That's gonna be in September, October, November. That's gonna be like the end of September because we have October, November. No, the end of August. Yeah, that's the end of Q3. So then October, November, September, October, November, December. There you go. Get confused. So we have starting September, right? Q4. And still we have a couple more months to end Q3. And if we end Q3 with above 10 cents, I think that's perfect, guys. If we go back to 10 cents and we stay there for a while till the end of the year, I know some people are gonna be close to break even, but I'll be good. What about you guys? I'll be happy. Like I show in my previous live streams that at 10 cents, I'm making money. I'm just having fun. Like some of you guys, you're buying right now, you're gonna make money at 10 cents. And that's just super low for some people, but that's just what I'm saying, right? Molly. Let's see. Lenny, also the Graph coin, another solid DeFi coin with huge potential. I've seen the Graph as well, and Coinbase has it where you can get rewards by answering some couple of videos and quizzes, and they give you the Graph. I changed the Graph rewards for AMP tokens. Full disclosure. Damien, you have more AMP on Gemini, and fees are based on volume and makes sense moving less to bigger pile. Absolutely. 6.69 a month. My price prediction is 5 cents by tonight. Igor, welcome to the chat. Well, 5 cents by the end of the day, that'll be huge because people are right now buying, so that'll be huge. If I show you once again the market right now, how it's trending, look at my portfolio. Came back for 2 p.m. I believe that was today. 2 p.m. right now we are above 3.47%. You're seeing right now on the screen. So I'm just chilling, guys. Never really pay too much attention to my portfolio. Just look at my portfolio. Look at this, everyone. What in the world is this? Look at this shape. But you can see that even in cryptocurrency, if you hold, guys, on April 20th, and right now it's trending somewhat upwards. And it's all because, what we're looking in the market right now, but still it's holding there. Why? Because you buy when it's low. My first Ethereum I bought when it was $1,000. It dropped back from $1,500. I remember I bought it at 1,000, and I'm like, let's just start my cryptocurrency journey with Ethereum. And right now, just look at Ethereum right now, close to $2,000 after all the ups and downs. That's, I think, great. And once we just took a look at the companies that with the biggest Bitcoin portfolios. These are just the top 10, but of course there are way more, and countries and institutions that have Bitcoin. At the end of the day, once and if it happens that Bitcoin reaches maximum circulating supply, which I've heard somewhere that it could be practically impossible because the last blocks to mine will be extremely difficult, something like that I've heard. I'll have to do more research. When it comes to AMP token, 100 billion. Right now we're at 42, if I'm not mistaken. Go ahead and mark it, or 40 something. Where? Let me see. Where is AMP token? Where are you at? Oh, here it is. Circulating supply, 42 billion. Yes. So still 42 billion circulating supply. We're still good. We're still good. We're going strongly but surely. That's what it is. But of course, remember, there are other awesome projects out there. You got to be mindful of those guys. So, what a good one, everyone. What a good one. If you are here new in the channel, new in the chat, Go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells, support the channel. Tomorrow I'm gonna chill, relax, no more videos or live streams, just relax. That's a good Sunday. And next week we come back with awesome content for you, everyone, and just have a nice time for you guys. But always relaxing. And if I'm not mistaken, let me see, because there's some more live stream content coming up pretty soon. Okay, yeah, so I mean, I'm gonna be heading out sometime soon because I've been here for a while, guys. But there's another YouTuber by the name of Dark Side of the Podcast. I'm sure that you guys may know him, but he posts great videos as well. So when I leave, make sure you stop by his channel and continue listening to awesome cryptocurrency and I'm token. Yeah, I mean, I'm always, giving shout outs. I love when people grow. I mean, that's amazing. That's, I think, the purpose of this, right? I've been telling you about Meta Hero, bro. I hope you take a look at glance. 100K holding. Oh, wow. Nice. So, since I don't have much to say about I'm Token, just what a great project it is, let's go ahead and review the tokens that you guys have for me. Let's see. You guys, Clover Coin. Let's take a look at that. And with that, guys, I'm probably gonna bounce. Clover Finance. I think this is the one you mean, right? Yeah, I've seen this one pump a lot. But take a look at this. It's coming from $40 to $3. CLV, 75% buy because I'm sure people are wanting to buy the dip, super dip. There's not enough data, 80% most help. This is a coin that I wouldn't buy, to be honest with you. I wouldn't buy, to be honest with you. Like, looks good, but not enough data here, and it's on Coinbase. It made Moonshot, but honestly couldn't care for the Moonshot ones. I like to put my money in something that I can go back to sleep and I'll be fine. I mean, I don't have to be worried. You know what I'm saying? Alejandro Sepulveda, what's up, buddy? Blessings, bro. Blessings. Thank you so much. Meta Hero. Of course. Meta Hero. Let's go ahead and take a look at Meta Hero for you, buddy. Got it. Let's see, what is this? It's 1 cent year to date. So what in the world is Meta Hero? 3 scanning modeling technologies is avatars, NFTs. Okay, so it's another one that is pumping and is bringing the community up. Okay, I see why. July 13, and bam, it rose all the way. That's why. Well, when was it started? When did it start? Meta Hero. Let me see. Rank 2500. It's available on, say, some Binance and MetaMask. But I think it's one of those coins that comes, pumps, and probably later on will die. That's just my opinion. But yeah, I mean, one of those coins. But thanks for letting us know. That's awesome. They will scan people into games with the meta scanners. Cool. I mean, that's great. And like I've been saying, like, there's so many projects out there with cryptocurrencies right now, and well, just have to find the one that makes sense to you. I think that's what it is. In my case, and what I preach, guys, is I like to build a strong portfolio on the ones I know are not only approved by me, but approved by those that are smarter than me. Yeah, I think I don't really complicate myself too much. I know that I can find cryptocurrencies that I like super risky, and I can possibly get those classic moonshot scenarios that are, out of this world, and you can become a millionaire like a lot of people were talking about. But in my case, just try to keep it simple. Just look at this. Just have AMP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin on Gemini. That's one. And on Coinbase, I have in my portfolio, what is this? Okay, I have this. I have Cardano, Algorand, and Ethereum. And that's it, and a little bit of AMP. I just keep it simple, right? Plus, I don't buy cryptocurrencies on like MetaMask or Uniswap or Binance, where you have much higher and larger community pools of projects. So, but I mean, I know people are into many different things, so that's pretty cool. That's awesome. And look, my Algorand already gave me $1. Nice. So I've been staking Algorand here on Coinbase, and I put $1,000. Oh no, $800 of Algorand, which is 1,000 Algorand. And so far I did that. I already got 1 Algorand. What do you guys think about that? I like Algorand because it does remind me to Cardano and Ethereum, but they focus a little bit more on DeFi, which I really like. I love it. Nice. Shiba Inu, guys. Well, Shiba, gotta tell you, it's a crazy project. A lot of people are wanting to do, like, looking at Shiba right now, and they're like, of course, they are expecting what everybody wants to see, either 10 cents or $1. I don't have Shiba Inu. I think that speaks stronger than whatever word I can say. I don't have Shiba Inu. If you have it, great for you, to be honest with you. But I don't have Shiba Inu. I don't do those type of things because, yeah, you may buy $10 of Shiba Inu and in 10 years you may be a millionaire. I don't know. If that works for you, that's fantastic. I may, and here's what I can say, I may buy some Shiba Inu when they come to Coinbase or Gemini. Why? That's just the way I am. I don't complicate myself, honestly, guys. And I know that Shiba Inu is the Dogecoin killer, so that's, I think, what they're trying to preach, and that's what it works for them. Absolutely. Yeah, people have SafeMoon, so because they wanna. I know what I've heard is that SafeMoon it's becoming a little bit more serious now. So if you go to trade, if you don't know, you have tradable assets, you can have all assets, and you can find here your Shiba Inu. So you can find Shiba Inu on Coinbase. So where's Shiba? Oh really? I don't see Shiba. Let's see SafeMoon. Oh, there's no SafeMoon here. That's so weird. I used to see this on all assets here on Coinbase. Not anymore. Well, that's what happens. Sonar ping. Sonar. Let's see if there's Sonar. Sonar. Oh, I close Coin Market. Coin Market Cap. Once again, everyone, crypto is down. Just kind of making a pause right here for all the viewers. Cryptocurrency is down, as you're seeing on the screen right now. Just take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies we have. Oh, first and foremost, let me go ahead and drink some water. I'm about to end. So, cryptocurrency is down, and what I mean down is the last 7 days, all of these ones are red. We have Bitcoin at almost 5%, Ethereum at almost 7%, Tether, well, is a stable coin, Binance, Cardano at 10%, and much more. Oh boy, that was a good one. So, hey Sugma, hola, how you doing? Welcome so much. So in a way, that's what you are gonna be looking at. But my understanding is that these are the times where you're really learning, you're maturing in the investing world, especially cryptocurrency. So I'm still learning on that one, and I love it. I love to share that with you guys. Thank you so much. Hey David, welcome. Oh, that's the Las Vegas COVID sneeze. Mike, you remember? No. I'm thanks the Lord. I'm all good. And yes, from Vegas, when I went to Vegas, oh boy, I was like a little bit skeptical and worried, right? But no, everything went super fine. Thank you so much for checking that out. So the last one I'm gonna check is Sonar, because you guys are asking me, so why not Sonar ping? Who's asking the Sonar one? Shiraz. So Shiraz, here it is. So year to date, we're looking at this. Okay. Molly. I have a dog that I'm taking care of, so I think she went. Okay. I'll be down soon. I'll be down soon. I'll be down soon. I'll be down soon, Molly. Okay. So Sonar, let's see. Let me see. Core Marketplace aims to bring complete and easy tracking to analytics tools for Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum networks with. Okay, I like that. So they're supporting existing networks. That's pretty cool. PancakeSwap, you can buy it. Yeah, that's the thing. So I think it's a cool one. Has still most of them have great visions and projects. You just have to see them mature. But of course, when you get them early, that's when you can make the most profits. Absolutely. Thank you, Alejandro. Blessings. Oscar Grizz from Galveston Country. Hey, Santa Fe Mike. Welcome back to this chat, everyone. Welcome, Santa Fe. Great to see you. Greetings from Texas as well. Greetings. If you have to choose between Cardano and Ethereum, which one, in your opinion, a good bet? Hard one. Honestly, I will choose the two of them. But if I had to choose just one, Ethereum, because I know no matter what happens with Cardano and if they 10x, Ethereum will still be here. That's what it is. But I mean, the two of them, I love them. Now, okay, she just sat down, so that's good. It's a nice schnauzer. She's lovely. But I think I gotta bounce in a couple of minutes or so because, gotta help her eat and stuff like that. Let's go up to the moon. I know. I have 3 dogs, 2 dogs, cat. I know, Alejandro. So, when you're trying to stay in the computer for a while and they just start messing and doing all this kind of stuff. Think about this. While other crypto projects are competing with each other, we're creating a market of our own. Meta Hero, it's a unique project. Absolutely, Omar. Honestly, please, anytime you see me live, let me know about that project. I want to see how it goes. But like, understand, there's so many projects out there. It's hard to really keep track of most of them, right? Absolutely. Well, everyone, once again, we got some chat revenue. You guys are unbelievable. Thank you so much for their support. This is what my Gemini portfolio looks like. We're heading to the 6,000 territory. That means that I'm talking Ethereum and much more. They're coming up a little bit more, so that's awesome. The latest trends right now, I mean, today we're going up, so that's great. My watch list, I'm talking at 4 cents. So like I've said, just to kind of sum up for anyone who is just watching right now, we still may have that possibility of going lower than 4 cents. So dollar cost average, but by looking at the technical analysis, the RSI tells us that can also start pumping back up. So you are the final judge. Do what's best for your pocket, but always diversify. I think that's what really is going to get you out many problems. Oh, wow. A question about stocks. You guys remember stocks? I'm just kidding, guys. Absolutely. So yeah, stocks, love them. Airline stocks, well, right now they're coming back up. So good idea as well. I'll let you guys know more in the next week. But anyhow, guys, I want to thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Just had a great time with you. Just awesome live. It's time to relax, to chill tomorrow. And I'll see you, of course, next week with more content and see, how AmToken does, how the crypto community does, and hopefully, Bitcoin can start popping back up. But in all, I mean, whatever happens, we're still holding, we're not selling, and now we know how to stake. So you want to make sure you know that. If you don't know how to stake your AM tokens to the Flexa Network, check my last video in my channel, and there's your answer for that. Any questions, of course, comments down below, whatever, just reach out to me. If you want to actually talk to me, very fast on Discord, there's my Patreon link down below. Support the channel, go above and beyond, and just start building with the community. We have a couple more members right now in the Discord channel on Patreon, so we're just building a nice community. If you want to join, go for it. The link is down below, all for you. And if you want to buy cryptocurrencies at a tax advantage point so you don't pay taxes on them using an individual retirement account, there's my link down below for iTrust Capital. Use that if you want to buy cryptocurrencies. They've been adding more cryptos right now, and I'm sure once they add I'm token, I'm gonna let you guys know for that. Last, of course, if you want to make money, of course, there's my Coinbase and Gemini links down below. Go ahead and go wild if you don't have an account yet. Other than that, thank you guys. You're awesome. Stay strong. Stay strong. Buenas noches. There you go, my friend. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys next time. Appreciate it a lot. And let's keep it up, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Peace.